Need for a degree in finance? Our strategy is simple and straightforward. Today, we're going to reveal a powerful new strategy that combines two cutting-edge buy and sell indicators. These indicators, when used together, can provide you with precise entry and exit points, helping you capture consistent profits in even the most volatile market conditions. If you're worried about the complexity, don't be. The strategy is surprisingly easy to learn and implement. Are you ready to discover a strategy that can help you profit from any market regardless of time frame? Stay tuned, as I'm about to reveal the exact indicators and techniques that form a backbone of this powerful approach. Let's dive right into the action. To begin, open your trading platform and navigate to the chart of your preferred asset. Once there, locate the Indicators tab at the top of the screen. Click on it and it reveals a list of available indicators. Now it's time to add the Scalping God to your chart. In the search bar, simply type Scalping God and press Enter. The indicator should appear in the results. Select it. The Scalping God is your secret weapon in the fast-paced world of scalping. This powerful tool, designed to pinpoint profitable trading opportunities in the real time, constantly scanning the market for the best deal. How does it work? The Scalping God leverages advanced algorithms and employs the parabolic SIR indicator to accurately identify potential entry and exit points. By analyzing market momentum and identifying key reversal points, this tool provides you with timeless signals to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. But before we dive into how the Scalping God works, let's make a quick adjustment to its settings to enhance its visibility and clarity. Navigate to the indicator settings window and locate the background color opacity option. Increase this value to around 40%. This will make the indicator's background slightly transparent, allowing you to see the underlying price action more clearly. Now that we've added the Scalping God to our chart, let's dive deeper into how it works. At its core, the Scalping God utilizes the parabolic SIR indicator to provide buy and sell signals. When the first green dot appears below a candlestick after a series of red dots above previous candles, it's a classic bullish reversal signal from the parabolic SIR. But the Scalping God takes it a step further. For a strong buy signal, the Scalping God's background color must also turn green. This confirms the bullish momentum and increases the probability of a successful trade. The process is similar for sell signals. When the first red dot appears above a candlestick after a series of green dots below previous candles, it indicates a potential bearish reversal. To confirm the sell signal, the Scalping God's background color must be red. This confirms the bearish momentum and increases the likelihood of a profitable short trade. Now that we've explored the Scalping God and its powerful signals, it's important to acknowledge that no indicator is perfect. While the Scalping God provides excellent signals, it's not infallible. Just like any other trading tool, it can occasionally generate inaccurate signals. But don't worry, I've discovered another indicator that can complement the Scalping God and significantly enhance the accuracy of our trading strategy. To further enhance our trading strategy, we'll be adding the Donchian Trend Ribbon indicator to the chart. This powerful tool calculates 10 Donchian channels and combines them in a similar way to the EMA-based GOPI indicator. By calculating 10 Donchian channels, the indicator provides a final output based upon the consistency of the trend direction of all of the calculations. But before we start using this indicator in combination with the Scalping God, let's make a quick adjustment to its settings. Head over to the Donchian Trend Ribbon Indicator settings window and locate the Donchian channel period. Change this value to 100. This setting will increase the sensitivity of the indicator, making it more responsive to market trends. Other than that, no special changes are needed for the Donchian Trend Ribbon Indicator. Now that we have both Scalping God and Donchian Trend Ribbon Indicators on our chart, let's explore how to use them in combination of generating accurate trading signals. When we identify a sell signal from the Scalping God, meaning a red dot above a candlestick and a red background, we'll need to confirm the signal using the Donchian Trend Ribbon. To do this, draw a vertical line from the signal candle to the Donchian Trend Ribbon. If the corresponding bar on the Donchian Trend Ribbon is also red, it confirms the bearish momentum in the market and we can open a sell order. For a stop loss, a good practice is to use the most recent red dot from the parabolic SIR as your stop loss level. This helps protect your capital in case the trade moves against you. As for take profit, I recommend using risk to reward ratio. For example, if your stop loss is 100 pips, you should set your take profit at 200 pips for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For buy signals, the process is similar. When you identify a buy signal from the Scalping God, green dot below a candlestick and a green background, draw a vertical line to the Donchian Trend Ribbon. And if the corresponding bar is green, it confirms the bullish momentum and you can open a buy order. Use the most recent green dot from the parabolic SIR as your stop loss and apply a suitable risk to reward ratio for take profit, which I recommend 1 to 2.